my channel. Today we're going to do something a little different. I just wanted to give you guys an update with what's been going on with me. I've been recently diagnosed with hypertension and have been placed on some medications. I found out I had hypertension about a month ago, and I've been getting treated for it. During that month, the doctor did put me on, I think it's hydrochlorothiazide. Initially, when we did the blood work, everything was fine. All my levels were normal, except for my iron levels, which I already knew would be low because I'm anemic. But then fast forward, as the weeks go by, he's been checking me every 2 to 4 weeks or so. We did more blood work, and turns out I had low potassium. So then he told me to stop taking my hypertension pills and instead to take these potassium pills for 10 days in order to bring my levels back up to normal. So I did that, got my levels back up to normal, and now we found out my calcium is low. So it just seems like with these pills, it's treating me for, I'm being treated for hypertension, but it's interfering with other levels. In an attempt to just stop all of that and to sort of reverse this hypertension, I'm going to try something a little radical, as some may think, and I'm just gonna go cold turkey and go vegan. I've heard a lot of people had great results. I've seen some YouTube videos with people saying that they reversed their hypertension along with some other illnesses that they were battling with. So I'm going to give it a try and see how it works for me. I'm going to keep you guys posted, show you some of what I'm eating. I'll have more juice recipes up because there are some fruits and vegetables that can be juiced that are known to lower blood pressure. So I'm just going to take you guys along on this journey with me. If you guys have any suggestions, if you're going through the same situation, any suggestions or tips, leave that in the comment below. And also, if you guys haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That way you guys will be notified once my new videos go up, and you won't have to keep checking to see if it's a video that's been uploaded. You'll instantly be notified. Thanks, guys. Till next time.